So there's this guy, right? And every time he opened the fridge, it'd be like a murder scene in there. The eggs would be cracked, oranges would be squashed. Everything in there was just fucked up. So he was like, enough is enough. Who's fucking with my food? I'm gonna go wait in front of my fridge and see what's really going on. So he's chilling and waiting in front of his fridge. It slowly turns into nighttime. Then all of a sudden, he sees the lights going on and off. So he slowly walks over, opens his door, and run! Ah! Oh, help me. The milk's gone bad. Get it? Because the milk expired.